Itredo here, Valare, Wagado Tota, Wagado Review, Wagado TV, Wagado Edonete, with my Agua, Edoneto, Wabokia, Beno, Yalacosa, Noviaga, na, Nimanya, na, one, no. Ugana wabeki degbegbe mayare ene wana ugan ma viode akomo salogwa yedere na mawe ikemi na ya kemi he ikemi redo ikemi na ya kemi he o ati aga ewe yi emi na ka we logo awa kemi be ni be ka kemi rio we na do ya kemi ona maga ilawe ne ba ubien we ona na ma kemi ya kopa ya se ugie iba ma ka se na kedo we ma we kiba ni be kapa ya se iye va ha be mu dia ba Edobe ave kiba kakpa. Ya se iye ha. Ave mundiaba. Edobe ave kiba kakpa. Ya se iye ne. Dumio ave mundiaba. Ai kiba ba kai. Aya mundiaba iye sen. Iba na moment we no cow. Ai kasi iye sen. Ado adie igbigbe ba so insistent by udo mi ewe do ya kemi he ona odian gbe o wa bokian Edo. You are welcome to another session of Edo teaching. Today we are going to a new page. Today is better than yesterday. Amen. All right. We are going to teach counting in Edo. How do you count in Edo? The way we count in the English language is not the way we count in Edo. The way we count in Edo is logical. Logical. It's not just saying one thing I don't know another. No. When we get to 10, we start from 1, we get to 10, it changes the tone. The tone changes. We get to 15, it changes. We get to 20, it changes. We get to 25, it changes. We are not going to repeat everything in English language today because the writing, the counting in English is already written down. And everybody knows how to count in English. And when you say 1, 2, 3, you go on, even if you get to 100, everybody knows it's 100. We don't have to teach anybody this is 100, or 50, or 60, no. But in Edo, it has to be taught. So, because of the changing nature, the logistics of it, we've got to teach it. I think you get me. You are welcome. But follow as we do this today, and you will enjoy it. And you will enjoy it. In the same way, the words are important. It is important to learn the words that pertain to counting in Edo, because the words, you have to know how to spell them. And the spellings are crucial. They are not that simple, like you have 1, 2, 3. The first part of it will be simple, but when you get into the logistics, the changing, they are not that simple. Wabokiao, every time okoko, ma kevi, wedo, omewena yaka he. Ora sigbe, ori fiodolebe. Ora se, ekesugie ori fiodalegbe ora isugie abe fiweria ora isenyangie abe fiweria ora isogbon afiweria osiyeva afiweria osiyeha afiweria osiyena afiweria osiyise afiweria ora igbera yise ora fiweria begbe dadegbe igbigbe oya nya igbigbe oya fiweria duwa merita na ewi na kavedo zigizigi o ọmọna onani ọrẹkẹdọ na fiweria kígbe pa kesugie pa kúgie pa kìsẹyàngie pa kọgbọn pa àìkọgbọn pa rẹ sẹ ìsẹyàngbọn pa rẹ sẹ ìyẹva kìyẹva rẹ pa yà sẹ ìsẹyànyà ìyẹva ọrẹkẹva rẹ pa bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọbẹ̀ rí ọ gbígbè lọ́dún yẹn yàgbé ọ̀rẹ́ ìwọ̀n ọgọ́gbọ̀n ọ̀wùrẹ̀ lọ́rí so akàbọ̀ gba ọkọ̀tọ̀ nípò gíẹ̀fà èmi náà kàbẹ̀dó ẹ̀dọ́ ya ta lọ́nàbẹ̀ ẹ̀dọ́ ya ta ní ọbẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà gbọ́n ẹ̀ ùrè nánà bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ya gbọ́n ebe na wati ọkpa eva o afiweria emi na gbọn ebe fiweria emi na gbọn afiweria ena na ọgbedo fiweria ọbẹgẹ ebe na taa na wabọkịa o ma ya esobo ugedi ya ikevi counting in Edo language ikevi so again, mana yo wiwemi. Ana wa mama e. Owo eva eha ene isa eha ihiyo igbe. Mana we aya si wọn. Ma we wọn no wo. Tu eva. So yakata na nia. Obi ania. Ọkpa ona e one bebo. Ona owo redo owó ọ̀pá náà owó náà ọ̀sùdọ̀ àná èyíva bẹ́ẹ̀ nù ayé ìṣègùn ní ẹ̀ ọ̀rí èèmà ẹ̀rìnù yẹn ata ùrẹ̀ o àti owó àbẹ̀tí ọ̀pá àrà kẹ́rin owó ẹ̀ ata wà á kẹ́rin àràká owó ọ̀nà ogun ẹ̀ àrẹ̀gátẹ̀ èmi náà rẹ̀ àyítẹ̀ owó uwẹ̀ ọ̀pá n'ụka ọkpa ọfụrụ njiberio n'ike eyi eberio uhebe ya taa na owó ọ̀rẹ́tí owó ṣùgbọ́n ìnáwó inúwì náà gú ẹ owó ọ̀pá ẹ̀ọ́gù ẹ̀ ebi ọ̀pá ọ̀gù ẹ̀ uwe ní ọ̀pá ọ̀gù ẹ̀ unu ọ̀pá ẹ̀hánà ẹ̀ nà ya gùn ẹ̀gẹ́ náà wẹ̀ owó ọ̀pá ẹ̀ẹ́nì ẹ̀dùn owó ọ̀pá owó inú ebe ọ̀gù ẹ̀ owó ọ̀gù ẹ̀ ẹ̀yọ ọ̀pá ebi ọ̀pá uwe ní ọ̀pá ọ̀nà ebi ọ̀nà uwe díẹ̀ àìsàn uwe yàtọ̀ àmì ẹ̀ nà kọ̀kọ̀ bọ̀ àbẹ̀mí uwe ní ọ̀tà àbẹ̀mí asá ògùn gánà o òkè wọ̀ ọ́sẹ́gẹ̀ ọ̀lọ́màwérì one owó then two yàtọ̀ two ebòtẹ̀ two ọ̀nà eva anáwó yẹ nana ọ̀kọ̀kan gbọ́n anáwó yẹ nana lẹ́gẹ̀ẹ́rì gbọ́n eva ebòtẹ̀ three báyìí kakugbe bẹ́ẹ̀ni ọ́ ọ̀nà ha ọ̀nà yẹ nana n'ọ̀kọ̀kan gbọ́n anáwó yẹ nana lẹ́gẹ̀ẹ́rì gbọ́n ha. Náà ìṣàgbé 4. On a ne. On s'agbe 5. You know, il sent. Bagay. On s'agbe 6. Bebo 6. On a Bagay. On s'agbe 7. 7. On a ihiyan. On a yede jegbon ihiyan. On s'agbe 8. 8. The guy movie. Now we say 9. The next one is 10. Now we say 10. Igbe. Omiyan, agada na we evien de Yoruba na we agbeva le ga re bi so. Agbeva, ana gbeji, ana gbebi. E me na we, why boy jo nika, ana we gbi, ri mata de gbi. O we nya igbe. Now so agbe 11. Oworo. Mami ebe, ana so bi ke tudo ida. Oworo. Now so agbe 12. Iweva. Ikama ba. Wale agega we do pe na ya kevi he na we owe fiodolegbe. One where a man that's when ba Eva 2. A man where or Eva 2 was called Eva. When we said 2, it was called Eva. Now you see, we are talking about 12. Now we have brought Eva to join 10. It's now Iwe Eva. You see it? Iwe Eva. You see how it changed? All right. Now you go to show again. 13. Iweha. See? Iweha. When we are counting 3, 1, 2, 3, we said 3 was what? Eha. You see it? Now you see Iweha. All right. You got it? Okay. Come on now, it's come to happen again. That one is 14. Remember 4. Iwene. You remember 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. We said Owo, Eva, Eha, Ene. And now you come to Iwene. I told you. You see how it's coming up? It's coming up. Iwene. Okay. Now, get ready. You got to change now. If I were to ask a young boy what will be the next one, it's likely to say Iwisen. But that's not it. Okay? We know after 4, we came to 5. 5 was Isen, you remember? So Isen on the other side. But it's changed now to a different name entirely. This is the beauty of Benin language, Edo language. 15 is not a Wisen, but it is Ekesugye. Ekesugye. Where did he get Ugye from? Ekesugye. Say, we are getting to Ugye. What is Ugye? Ugye is 20. Ugye is 20. Ekesu is, we are quarter to 20. You see the beauty of Edo language? we are a quarter to 20. And that is how it's going to be answering. When we go from beyond here, 30 in a Edo language, 30 is ogban. Ogban. So when you get to 25, and you are now 25, we are quarter to 30, it becomes what? Eke sogban. Hey, hey. Eke sogban. Don't be too fast, too. Don't go faster than me. Don't go to 40 and go and say 40 and 50. Be careful now, because it's going to sing another song when we get there. We are quarter to 20.